Hello everyone, this is my review of Wisps Cheddar Cheese Crisps. You get genuine cheddar baked into a crunchy snack. These are high in protein while being very low in carbs and sugar. If you're snacking, but still trying to keep it somewhat clean or macro-conscious, these hit that spot. They've got that satisfying crunch, but they're not overly complex or brittle, so they still feel snack-friendly. I used them in my lunch, took a bag to work, and they held up well. If I'm being honest, a few things to keep in mind. The flavor is bold if you prefer ultra-mild snacks. This might feel more intense. Additionally, since they are made from real cheese, they can be slightly pricier than typical chips or puffs. So the value per ounce is something to consider. Overall, if you're looking for a crunchy, savory snack that tastes like cheese, delivers real protein, and feels more premium than your standard bag of chips, this is definitely something worth trying. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.